What's up, guys? I'm at home now, and I found the biggest bloody diet hack there is out there. So, literally, so I watched this video on YouTube, and they recommended basically protein mug cakes. It's been done before, but with literally you put baking powder into a mix of casein and whey, or some protein shakes are a mix already. So you do that, and then you add baking powder and you just put it in the microwave, and oh my god, it is nice. Like, you literally get the consistency of the mug cake. Maybe it's not as nice as if you do it properly with it, like an egg and some oil and stuff, but yeah, so for those macros, so like 100 calories for like a serving of protein shake, you get a proper mug cake, and the consistency is good. I'll show you right now.